This is the HONOR X9 5G and HONOR X8. And the company says that these are some of the most durable smartphones that they have made. In fact, they say here, lagi tahan, lagi best. But how tahan and how best? And can they really tahan our test? Well, today we're going to find out. To quickly catch you up, the HONOR X9 5G and HONOR X8 are new smartphones at an affordable price. On the HONOR X9 5G, you're getting a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus display up front with a 120Hz refresh rate. Inside, it is powered by a Snapdragon 695 processor with support for 5G. There's also 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. But with HONOR RAM Turbo, you can get an additional 2GB of RAM. On the other hand, the HONOR X8 is a slim and light smartphone, measuring just 7.45mm thick and 177 grams, making it easy to hold with one hand. It also features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display up front that has a refresh rate of 90Hz. Inside, the phone is powered by a Snapdragon 680 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You also get 2GB of RAM extension supported by HONOR's RAM Turbo. For photos, the HONOR X9 5G has a 48MP triple camera system, while the HONOR X8 packs a 64MP quad camera system instead. But enough about the specs. It's time to put HONOR's durability claims to the test. First up, let's see how well they handle the drop test. You're at your table, working hard. Then suddenly, you hear a notification. Boom, boom! You reach for it, but then you accidentally hit your phone off the table. Will it survive? Let's find out. Let's inspect the damage. HONOR X8, the back seems fine, the frame looks good, front, ooh, perfect! Everything is working well. We launch the camera, that's working well too. Pass with flying colors. Let's see if the X9 can survive too. Oh, that was like a basketball. Like the phone, the back, oh, seems to be fine. The frame looks good. Now the screen. Whoa! Flawless. Look at the camera, working good. Working well. In fact, I think it did more damage to the floor than it did to the phone. On to the next test. Now, another common situation. You're on the toilet, you're watching a funny video. Sometimes the video is a little bit too funny and then you drop your phone. Will it survive? Let's find out. Ooh, that sounded like it hurt. Come on, let's have a closer look. Okay, so first things first. The back looks like it's fine, perfectly fine. The frame also, no damage, no visual damage anyway. We see a little bit of scuffing on the front of the screen, but this looks like it's just the screen protector. The screen underneath is fine. If we on it, it works. If we on the camera, selfie camera. Not bad, not bad. Time to see if the X9 will survive. Ooh, that sounded like it hurt. Okay, let's take a closer look. So, the back, seems fine. The frame, all okay. The screen, wow. There's hardly any damage. I don't see any damage. Screen still works. Swiping left, right. Camera. This held up better than the X8 did. On to the next test. Now it's time to see how these phones hold up in a bend test. To make sure we have a consistent result, we're going to clamp it to a desk and hang heavier and heavier weights off of it. But first, let's see how it holds up to just a regular hand bending test. And to carry out this test, we have invited the strongest person in the office, Lovey.
It's a bit hard. Wow, I thought I can. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Try the other phone lah. Maybe this one better. Cannot lah. Pain now my hand.
Give up?
Wait. One last try.
Wait.
I have confidence. Come on. Okay. Maybe this angle. Okay, never mind lah. It's okay.
Now, let's try something a little bit more scientific. So we've clamped the phone to the table and clamped to it a luggage hook. So this, if we add weight, will tell us how much force is being exerted on the device. HONOR claims 35 kilograms is the max. So let's find out. First, we're gonna start with a little bit of weight. This is a sandbag. Boom, that will be 3.4 kilograms. Now, we're gonna add another sandbag. About 7 kilograms. Phone still looks good. Now, I'm gonna have to add more weight with my hands. We got 20, 23, 25, 26, 2, 3, 4, 25, 36. Okay, let's see how the phone has held up. Okay, so as you can see, that is the phone. It still looks pretty straight. Oh, maybe there's a little bit of torquing here. I don't see any visual damage. I mean, aside from earlier when we dropped it. Seems fine, 35 kilograms. Now let's see how the HONOR X9 fares. We have our counterbalance in place. I'm gonna hang the first sandbag. Not even slightly flexing. Excellente. The second sandbag. Still looking good. Now, to get it all the way, baby. So we go 7 kg, 8, 9, 10 kilos, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh wait, what am I counting? 26, 27. Oh my god, I need to. 38. Oh, 35 kilos, 36, 37. Oh. That's it. So far, looks good. I don't see any permanent bend damage. Well, as you can see, that's how the HONOR X9 5G and HONOR X8 hold up in our stress test. What do you think? The HONOR X9 5G can be yours for 1,299 ringgit, while the HONOR X8 can be yours for 899 ringgit. Purchase now to receive free gifts worth up to 298 ringgit, including HONOR Choice Earbuds X and 1-year extended warranty. Because HONOR is so confident with their smartphones, they're giving away the redemption of 1-year extended warranty until the end of June. So come and get your lagi tahan, lagi best smartphone. If you want to see how these smartphones handle extreme temperatures, make sure you click the video in the video description because you get to see Hanif put these smartphones through extreme heat and extreme cold situations.
Panas betul. Sejuk.
Until the next experiment, I will see you then. Bye bye.